have an in-studio party where we offer fun and creative growth opportunities for all ages, whether it's bring your own juice box, BYOJ, or BYOB, painting for singles and couples, adult painting fun. Or have a mobile party or mobile event designed to bring art directly to your preferred location, offering convenience and flexibility. Choose your home, your office, or event space. Or maybe you're thinking about team building or a workshop. Embark on a creative journey by having an art, clay, or music workshop with your group. Fostering creativity, artistic expression in a fun and exclusive setting through 7 Art Center. Building relationships. Join us today. Check us out at www.7artcenter.com. We look forward to seeing you.